What's the meaning of boilerplate? Boilerplate. Boilerplate.
Boilerplate. Boilerplate. The term boilerplate typically refers to standardized language or text that can be reused in different documents or situations without any or minimal changes. It is often used in legal, technical, or business contexts where certain phrases, clauses, or sections need to be included regularly. Boilerplate text can save time, ensure consistency, and reduce the risk of errors and omissions. However, it can also be criticized for being generic, impersonal, and lacking creativity. In short, boilerplate refers to pre-written text that can be used repeatedly with little or no modification to achieve a specific purpose or effect.